Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss differences between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. On the basis of these two cells, organisms are classified into two types. Prokaryotic cell containing organisms are called prokaryotic organisms and eukaryotic cell containing organisms are called eukaryotic organisms. So what are the major differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell? Let's start. First difference is pro stands for primitive, so we can say it is a primitive cell. Pro stands here for primitive, oldest type of a cell. U stands for advanced, so it is a advanced cell, developed cell. It is primitive type, it is a most developed type or a advanced cell. Second, size range of 0.5 to the size range of prokaryotic cell is 0.5 to 100 micrometer, so they are smaller in size. Eukaryotic cell is larger than prokaryotic cell. Their size range is 10 to 150 micrometer. So we can compare the data. Eukaryotic cell is larger than of a prokaryotic cell. Third difference is naked nucleus is present, and naked nucleus is called a nucleoid. Here naked means nucleus does not possess any membrane. Nucleus without membrane is called a nucleoid. Nucleus without membrane is called a nucleoid. So nucleoid is present in a prokaryotic cell, but in eukaryotic cell true nucleus is present, means nucleus possesses membranes. Nucleus is covered. Here nucleus is uncovered. That's uncovered nucleus is called a nucleoid. So here we have a true nucleus is present with nucleus with a membrane. Or we can say without membrane nucleus is present. Nucleus with a membrane is present in a eukaryotic cell. Fourth difference is no membrane bound cell organelles. In prokaryotic cell there is no membrane bound cell organelles. Cell organelles are absent. Membrane bound cell organelles are mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies. They all are absent in prokaryotic cell. Opposite of it, in eukaryotic cell all membrane bound cell organelles are present. So in eukaryotic cell membrane bound cell organelles are present. It includes mitochondria, chloroplast, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes and so on. All are present in eukaryotic cell. All these are missing in a prokaryotic cell. Next is no cytoskeleton of cell. There is no skeleton of a cell, but in eukaryotic cell there is a specific cytoskeleton. Next is ribosomes. Prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell both have ribosomes, but smaller ribosomes are present here, and here larger ribosomes are present. Smaller ribosomes are present. In eukaryotic cell, larger ribosomes are present. Right. Next is both these cells has a plasma membrane, cell membrane, but in prokaryotic cell, receptor molecules are absent in a plasma membrane. So receptor proteins are absent on cell membrane. Here receptor proteins are present. That is the point number 7. Receptor proteins are absent on cell membrane in prokaryotic cell. Here we have a receptor proteins. Receptor proteins identify the various molecules. There is like attraction for interaction forces are there. So this is the point number 7. Point number 8 is circular DNA is present in cytoplasm. Circular DNA is present in a cytoplasm of a prokaryotic cell. But in eukaryotic cell, instead of circular DNA, we have a linear DNA. And DNA is present in a nucleus. So we can see the difference here, circular DNA, but here we have a linear DNA, and DNA is present in a cytoplasm, but in eukaryotic cell it is present in a nucleus. Point number 9 is prokaryotic cell has a single chromosome. It possesses a single chromosome, but in eukaryotic cell several chromosomes are present. Again, that is the difference, only single chromosome. Here multiple chromosomes, several chromosomes are present. As we know, human cell contain 46 chromosome. Next, chemically cell wall is complex. The cell wall of prokaryotic cell is complex, and it contains peptidoglycan. Chemically cell wall is complex and it contains peptidoglycan, but in eukaryotic cell simple cell wall is present, and it is made up of cellulose in plants and chitin in fungi. As we know, cell wall is present only in plants and fungi. In animals, cell wall is absent. So simple cell wall is present, and chemically it contains cellulose in plants and chitin in fungi. But on other side, cell wall is complex and it contains peptidoglycan. Next difference is reproduction by binary fission, or we can say asexual reproductive type of reproduction is asexual. No sex cells are involved, but in eukaryotic cell reproduction takes place by sexual means. Means two sex cell will involve 50-50 contribution of both sex cells, one of female and one of male. Next is transcription and translation. Both takes place in cytoplasm. In prokaryotic cell, transcription and translation both takes place in cytoplasm. So we need to understand transcription. Transcription is the conversion of DNA to RNA. The conversion of DNA to RNA or formation of RNA from DNA, that process is called transcription. That takes place in cytoplasm. And translation is formation of proteins from messenger RNA, mRNA to proteins. So transcription and translation both takes place in a cytoplasm. But in eukaryotic cell, transcription takes place in a nucleus and translation takes place in a cytoplasm. So here transcription takes place in a nucleus, but translation takes place in a cytoplasm. Right. 13th example. 13th difference can be examples. Prokaryotic cell examples are bacteria, amoeba, and eukaryotic cell, plants, animals. So these are the 13 difference between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. It would help you to differentiate between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Right, that's it for